Shauna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very sweet video that's happening. I just wanted to say thank you to our friends who watch my channel. They are very nice and sent me a very thoughtful gift. And I wanted to do an unboxing of it. I looked at it just a little bit, but there's like a lot more in this box. It's like a whole package. And yeah, I just want to go ahead and it's kind of like an unmailing video, I guess. We'll go ahead and call it that. And I actually did give them a shout out for yeah, in one of my past videos, and you know, you guys didn't have to do this, but it was very sweet of you. So here it is. I have it right here, and I'm obviously using my old setup, and probably by the time that this video is uploaded, though, by the time this video is released, you know, I'm gonna have all my previous videos done with my old setup, and then after this video, you know, we'll see what's happening with how we're using this one. So we'll go ahead and just do, let's see, hopefully you can see this, what it says. It's a 10-inch LED ring light. So I do have kind of a smaller beauty light, of which I've been using, which is what this light is right here. But this one is different because it has a stand so that your phone, which is what I record with, sorry if you can't hear me if I'm being muffled, but you put your phone, it's supposed to be able to sit right here in the middle of it. And then what I didn't even realize, like more so on it, when I opened it, it's actually like a standing stand, because some of these are just like kind of like desk stands, and this one you can actually have it standing up by itself, which is like even more so exciting, because that's kind of what my struggle is, because my phone is on a desk stand, and so I'm very limited as to where I can record. Like right now I'm always sitting at our computer desk, and sometimes it can be a little difficult to like have our setup or whatever. If you've watched my past videos, I've actually shown like my little setup of where I'm recording and whatnot. And so I've done like kind of like update like YouTube channel recording things like camera setup, lighting, that sort of thing, and improving it on my channel and whatever. So I mean, again, like this is a very generous, thoughtful gift that is beneficial to what I do. So again, thank you. It's very sweet. But let's hurry up and get into this box. And of course it comes with a thank you card from like the company itself. Here it is. Here's all this stuff in it. It has instructions, and that's why I didn't realize, but on the instructions it tells you how you can set it up, and you have to plug it in and everything. So that's why I have to read through what I have to do so I can set this up. I'm excited to be able to actually record kind of like in this little space over here. I'd have to show you what I'm talking about. Show you my little recording space, of which I'm just I have so many ideas, guys. But this is I'm trying to see what this LED ring light. I guess you can just look up LED ring light, and then I don't know. I hope you can just see what's going on inside of this box. There's the stand and the ring itself, and it's still like a smaller thing because, again, like not everybody has a ton of space, and this is where you can put your phone into, and I'm just excited. And this one is, yeah, ever so slightly bigger than what my mirror ring light is. So there's that. And I'm gonna assume this is just a plug-in. If it's just a plug-in, that's so much better, because some of these things have batteries. My ring light up here doesn't have batteries either. You can plug it in, so it's just that much more convenient. And then on top of it, I can go back to using this mirror, because again, it's a mirror, so I can actually use it for my makeup, because it's a really nice mirror to do my makeup on. It's like even magnified, so it's like right on my face. But yeah, there's like not too much to it, so it's not like crazy. But again, like, I know like the starting price of like beginner items like this, so I don't know, it means a lot, guys. It means a lot. Thank you. And I'm sure Kesley has, you know, he's like really excited, and he came in and he was just like, I got your gift from them, and you know, I was just like, oh. But here's the stand. And I'd have to see how this goes. Obviously, this one goes this way, like this, and pops up like that. And, yeah. I'd have to put it together. But I just wanted to do a quick video of me actually receiving it, and my first impressions, really. First impressions of unmailing. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you so much for this gift. And it'll go to good use. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. You know, when it comes to small YouTubers, our viewers are a big deal. When it comes to any YouTuber, really, like, views are a very big deal. But yeah, it's just like the subscribers are the ones who like get the channel to grow. So and beginning subscribers, like, those are like usually like, you know, if you can kind of get your community, like your friends and family, to support you and whatnot. So it means a lot to all our friends who watch my channel. And yeah, that's why sometimes I try and get Kesley to pop up every once in a while, so like everyone can see him too. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to stay tuned for my future videos. And oh, you have to come over here. I don't, oh. Bye, guys.